Today, we will talk about how to trim a palm tree. Let's have a look at the details. There is a common misconception when it comes to palm trees. Many think regularly trimming palms will help them grow when in fact just the opposite is true. Low maintenance and fuss-free, palm trees have become a landscaping staple that actually does better the less they are pruned. Part of the Arecaceae, or palmy family, the palm tree is a species of mostly tropical plants. While palms are known for their branchless stems and fan-like arrangement of green compound leaves, the more than 2,000 species of palms actually exhibit enormous diversity in terms of both appearance and habitat. While you won't need to do it often, it's important to know when and how you should trim your palm trees to keep them healthy and looking their best. The first step is evaluating the health of your palm tree. Determine whether it's time to trim. Though experts recommend avoiding pruning as much as possible, there are some circumstances that call for a trim. Start by determining if you really need to prune. And remember, the less pruning you can do, the better. Determine the health of the palm tree. Unless they are a hazard to people or property, palms only need to be trimmed when fronds die or are broken, or when the tree begins to flower or bear fruit. Look for dead or dying fronds on the tree. Dying fronds appear brownish, yellow or white, and are often wilted or hanging down. The second step is selecting appropriate equipment. Select pruning equipment. There are a variety of pruning tools that can be used to trim your palm tree. Consider the size of your tree to determine which tool you need. It's also important to make sure that your equipment is sterile and sharp before you prune. Select climbing equipment. Palm trees can grow to be very tall. The equipment you'll need to reach the fronds will depend on the height of your tree. Get protective gear. Gardening gloves and safety goggles should be used when trimming your palm. Palm fronds usually have very sharp spikes along their edges. Gloves will help protect your hands. Sawing and cutting sends small pieces of debris flying. Wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Consult a professional. Palm trees can grow very tall, and large, spiky fronds can be unwieldy. If you're dealing with a tall tree or do not feel comfortable using the equipment, it's best to consult a professional. And the third step is removing dead or damaged leaves. Sterilize your pruning tools. Pruning tools can spread disease from one tree to another. All of your pruning tools should be sterilized before you begin trimming your tree. Set up your climbing gear. Before you scale the tree, make sure the climbing gear you are using is secure and stable. Remove dead or damaged leaves only. Removing healthy fronds robs the tree of important nutrients and can result in slow growth, the spread of disease, and the death of the palm. Pull off loose petioles from the fronds. Take the loose petiole between your fingers and pull gently. If the petiole does not come off easily, leave it. Prune flowers or developing fruit from the palm if your particular species is the flowering type. Palm flowers and fruits take energy and nutrients away from the tree, attract pests, and create hazards for people walking below. Discard of pruned fronds, petioles, and fruit properly. Place fronds in a trash bin made for organic waste. Palm tree fronds tend to have sharp needle-like protrusions that can prick those who handle the waste. Wait a year or longer before trimming again. Palm trees do best when left alone. Green fronds produce all of a palm tree's food. Keeping them around is integral to maintaining the health and strength of your tree. For that reason, you should never take off more leaves in 1 year than the tree can produce in that time. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.